How to add a CV to your Wix website. So I created a CV or a resume in Canva, as you can see right here, and I'll be showing you how to add it. More than likely your CV is going to be in PDF format. Now to add it, the first thing you will need to do is decide where you'd like to add it, and you can tap on Add Section to create a new section. After doing that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select Add Elements. Once you have selected Add Elements, you're going to select Embed Code. Then you're just going to scroll down, as you can see right here. And you're going to scroll all the way down, and then from there you're going to see the option PDF Viewer. You're going to tap on that. After selecting PDF Viewer, it will be added to your site. Just give it a few seconds. Once it has been added, you're going to tap on Upload PDF. After selecting Upload PDF, you're going to tap on Add File. And from there, you're just going to tap on Upload Media in the top left hand corner. Then select Upload from Computer. And you're going to select your resume. Then you'll tap on Open. After it has been added, as you can see right there, you're just going to tap on Add to Page in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see that the PDF, or better yet your CV, has been added. So you can adjust it. So we could adjust it right here. So we're just going to pull down right there. And you're going to adjust it how it appears by simply pulling along the end. And that's it. Once you're finished, if we were to select Preview in the top right hand corner, you can see that it has been added. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and, for example, click on this, it will automatically open the link. So you can see it right there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.